Hi, I'm here with my friend Katrina and my girlfriend Christina, and today is her last day here, and I told her to give me some words because we're gonna miss her. And here is she. She's a little bit shy, but not today. And you have 5 minutes or as much time as you want to say anything you want.
Guys, really, I don't forget the first time when I meet you. It was in SNT. I saw you, and then I think that in SNT you are my really best friends. I'm really happy that I meet you here. I've never forgot these days that we spent together. Thank you for this.
Thank you for the amazing time with us.
Oh, thank you so much. Really, I think I will go to Brazil.
Of course you will.
Oh my God.
You're gonna see us. Don't cry. We're gonna miss you. We're gonna miss you. And I'm gonna finish the movie.